let's say a couple of more Unix commands or DOS commands or whatever you would call. CWD, that's what in Unix available, the command pwd that will print out the current working directory. In Perl you have a module called CWD with a capital C that has a function called CWD with a lowercase c that will return the current working directory. It doesn't print it, it just returns it. Then there is a module called file copy that has a function called copy that can copy a file, a single file. And there is a move that will be able to move one file from another, and this works even between file systems, unlike the rename that is inside Perl. Then there is a module called file base name that works on the strings. It doesn't access the file system actually. So if you give it a pass to a file, it will return the name of the file and not the directory. So it just return the name of the file. And on the other hand, there is the dir name function that will return the pass to the directory and not the file name. Again, these don't touch the file system. These just work on the string itself. And then there is file pass that has a make pass, which is like make dir -p on Unix. I'm not sure if it's on how it works in Windows. The issue is that when you try to create a subdirectory called C, if A and B exists, then make dir works. But if let's say A exists but B doesn't, then make dir would fail. Make pass creates also B and then C. So it creates all the paths on the way to create the C subdirectory. So it's sort of a recursive. I think it's parent. It means parent. So it will create all the parents as well. Remove tree is well, especially if you're doing it on /, it will be the last command you execute on your system. It will just remove. It's like rm minus rf. So it just removes all the directory and all the subdirectories. And then there are cases when you would like to traverse all a tree, a subdirectory tree. So you give one directory and you want to go in and do something with all the files inside it. For that, there is a module called find, and we'll see an example later. That is standard, but the interface is a bit oldish, let's say. And then there is a much nicer interface for file find rule, which is from cpan.